Running into complications and obstacles throughout a workday is pretty common. But wouldn't it be nice to have a more simple and efficient way to recover a medium or heavy-duty tow? Picking the rear axles off the ground can be challenging because of chassis components that obstruct using forks. But this Zips 360 explains how the Elite Series U-bolt attachment from AW Direct will make your life so much easier. The beveled design of the opening helps guide the U-bolt and nut from the rear spring assembly directly into the attachment. The 2-inch diameter shaft fits most heavy-duty towing fork receivers. Then you can chain up the suspension, securely tie down the tractor to the wheel lift, and be on your way. The Elite Series U-bolts have a knurled cross-line pattern rolled into the side of the body, along with a machined groove around the body. This textured, easy grip surface helps provide maximum securement when handling in wet conditions or if you have greasy hands or gloves. Sold individually or as a pair, they're also manufactured with a corrosion-resistant finish, which aids in extending the life of the attachments. The AW Direct Elite Series U-bolt attachment makes towing road tractors from the rear a cinch. Get a pair and experience it for yourself. Shop towing accessories on zips.com today.